Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK and our topic is sports time. So children, today we will going to learn about a different types of games and their name. So let's start it. There are many types of game we can play. So there are two types of game, indoor game and outdoor game. So what is indoor game? So indoor game are play in the inside of the our home, and outdoor games it is a we play outside our home. So now let's learn in detail what is a indoor games and what is a outdoor games and what is a games and their name. So first is cricket. Cricket. So here we can see a photograph of cricket. So cricket is a bat and ball game played on the oval grassy field called a ground. So in a cricket we can use bat and ball, and also we can play in ground and grassy field called a ground. It is a grassy. So in the middle is narrow strip called the pitch. So in a middle strip we can see it is called pitch, and with a wooden wickets at the either end. So here we can see a wooden stick and it is called a stump. So a cricket match is played between two teams of 11 players each. So in a cricket team, 11 players play the game. The cricket is the outdoor term sport played with a bat and ball. So we can use in a cricket in a bat and ball and also a stump, and we play outside our house or in a ground our in a ground and grassy ground. So cricket is a very interesting and outdoor game. Now next slide, that here we can see a photograph of bat, ball and also stump. So here we can see here that children play cricket. So cricket is played on the oval field, and in the center of the field is the long rectangle area called the pitch. Here we can see a long rectangle area and it called a pitch. So in a pitch is 22 yard, 20-meter long and 10 feet 3 meters wide. So a marker called a wicket is marker called a wicket in a set in the ground, and at the each end of the pitch. So here we can see it is also a goalkeeper. So each wicket is made up of 3 sticks and called stump. So here we can see a 3 stick and it called stump and placed closely together. It placed closely together, and two small pieces of wood called a base. So here we can see two small pieces of wood and it called base. So they are placed on the top of each wicket. So here we can see top of each stump, and two teams of 11 players complete the cricket game and or match. It called cricket game or match. The team that score more runs or points they win. So in the cricket we can use a bat, ball, and also 11 players play in this game, and the team score more or run more, it team win. So children, you all understand about cricket. So cricket is a outdoor game. So now we are going to learn a next game. What is this? Here we can see a photograph of table tennis. TABLETENNIS, table tennis. So here we can see two boys play table tennis, and also here two boys play table tennis. So table tennis also known as ping pong. So what we call it? We call it ping pong game. So it is one of the most popular sport in the world, with the with the players in many countries. So ping pong or table tennis is a very popular sport and in the world, and it is played by two players. In many countries play this game. So we can see here bat and ball. So in a table tennis we can play on the table with bat and ball. To play this game people use bats, it is a bats, and small colored ball. So it is a small colored ball, and you need also the net and a table. So it is a we play in on a table. So we can use or need to table and net. So table tennis is a very interesting game, and players in the table tennis match use bat to hit the small ball back and forth over the net set up across a wooden table. So in a table tennis, players use a bat and ball, also net and table. So children, everyone understand about table tennis? Okay, now we are going to learn our next game. And what is this? It is a chess. 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 So here we can find a photograph of chess. So chess is the board game of two players. So here we can see two players, and it is played in a square board. So here we can see a square board made of 64 smaller squares, and with 8 square on each side. So in a chess we can see here it is a square board and 64 small square, and with 8 square on each side. So each player start with a 16 pieces, 8 pawns, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 2 rocks. The queen and the king. The goal of the game is for each player to try and checkmate the king of the appointment. So here we can see two players play this game on the it is made up of a square board. So the goal of the game is each player to try the checkmate to the king of the appointment. So here we can see a square board and also a two players. So checkmate is the threat check to the opposing king which no move can stop. It ends the game. Chess is a popular and often played in a competitions called chess tournament. So it is enjoyed in many countries, and it is a national hobby in Russia. So chess is a indoor games and it is play with two players and also give checkmate to opposite team. So chess is a very popular and interesting game and also it called mind game and it is a Russian national hobby to play this game. So childrens everyone understand about the chess. So now we are going to learn a next slide or next game and what is this? It is a hockey. Hockey. So hockey is our national game. So here we can see two players play hockey. So hockey is our national game and this is a fast moving exciting game. It is play between two teams of 11 players each. So in a hockey also 11 players played the game and players try to hit, push, pass or drift a small hard ball. So here we can see a small hard ball and also, it is into a opposite team is goal using a J-shaped stick. So, in a hockey, we can see a J-shaped stick and also use ball and the players try to hit the or push or pass the small ball and hockey is also a outdoor games we can play in the ground or outside our house. So a field hockey team is made up of attackers, defenders and a goalkeeper. So field is hockey team is made up of attackers, defenders, and a goalkeeper. So hockey is a very interesting game and also a exciting, fast-moving games, and it is play in two players. So now we are going to learn a next slide that here we can see a two players play hockey and field hockey is well liked sport for both men and women. So, men and women both are playing hockey and it is played in many countries all around. So, hockey is a very interesting game. It is played by men and women and it is a play in many countries around the world. The game is played between two teams and each team is made up of 11 players and in the 15-minute quarters with a 15-minute break at the half time. So 2 minutes after first and third period. So it is a time of playing hockey and field hockey is played with the ball on natural grass or on stand based or water based artificial turf with a small hard ball. So hockey is the very interesting game and it is a play. Hockey is very interesting game. It is a play by the two teams of 11 members and play with J-shape stick and also a hard ball. So in many countries in the world play hockey. So childrens everyone understand about this game, outdoor game. So now we are going to learn a next game. It is a carom. CARROM. Carom is a very interesting inside or indoor game. So here we can see a one boy play carom. So carom is a play on the square polished plywood board. Here we can see a square polished plywood board and with the striker made of hard plastic and small critical wooden pieces called carom man. So the basic objective of the carom is the use the sticker with the flick of the finger to drive the carom man into any of the four corner pockets. So here we can see a carom is a very interesting game, and it is a play on mm, play on the square polished board. So small circular wooden pieces called carom man. So carom used in a striker with the flick of the finger and drive the carom man into any of the four corner pockets. So here we can see a one ball play carom. Next, the game of carom is, here we can see a photograph of carom. So the game of carom is an interesting Caribbean of pool and air hockey, but highly essential as an indoor family game, being compact and portable. So carom is a indoor family game. Here we can see a photograph of carom, and in carom is a carom board is 9 white dice. Here we can see a 9 white dice, 9 black dice, one red dice, and one acrylic dice. So in a carom we can see a various type of dice. So the game is believed to have originated hundred of years ago. So, although the price regions where carom originated in unknown, it is true that it was first played in the either India or Asia. So, in the first time play in India or Asia, the carom is the game that requires a skill, practice, and determination. So, carom is a very interesting game, and we can play with our skill, practice, and determination. So, children's, it can be played at all ages, and popularity in the steadily growing. So, children's carom is played by elder or children. So carom is a very interesting game. So children's, everyone understand about this carom game. So now we are going to learn our next game. What is this? It is a badminton. So here we can see a photograph of badminton. So badminton is a sports for a 2 or 4 people. So here we can see a 4 people playing badminton. In this way, the game consists of either one player against one player against the one player, or a team of 2 players. So against another team of 2 players. So team of 2 players or against the team of 2 players. Players use rackets to hit the shuttlecock over the net. So it is a racket used in a badminton. So other side of or another side of team hit. So now we are going to learn next side. So here we can see a rackets. So a racket is the aim of the game is to hit the shuttlecock over the net in the way that the other player or pair cannot hit the ball properly before it hits the floor. So the aim of the game is hit the shuttlecock and the net is away that other player cannot hit the bat properly. And every time it is done, the player or pair gets the 1 point. So the winner of the really gets to serve. The first player or pair to reach 21 points win a game. So it is a very interesting game, and badminton is also called a outside of the we can play outside of our home. So it called a outdoor game. So childrens, everyone understand about this game. So now we are going to learn a next game. And what is this game? It is a football. So here we can see a football. Why it called football? Football is a very popular sport that is played at high school, college and professional stadium. So football is played by college school, high school and professional stadium. So it involves running, passing, kicking and body contact. So what we can see in the football? We can see running, passing, kicking and body contact. A football game is a play between two teams of 11 players. So it is a play by two teams of 11 players, and a team score points by moving a ball across the another teams. So teams goal line. So two teams are playing football, and football is a fast game and also a running, passing, kicking and body contact game. So football game is play between two teams of 11 players. Here we can see a photograph of a football player. So we can use in a ball, big ball and foot, and that's why it called football. So here we can also see a ball, and one boy is playing. So the name of the football comes from the two words foot and ball. The name where it come? It comes from two words foot and ball. It is a named football because the players of the game walk and run on the foot and while playing, as opposed to polo and other games play on horseback. So, football in players playing or running or walking on the foot, and that's why it called football. And the ball is often kicked with the foot. So, but depending on the game, it can also be hit using the other parts of the body. So, depending on the game, it can also be used by other parts of the body. And handling the ball is the part of many other football variations. So, football is a very interesting game, and it is play outside our home or in the ground. So it called a outdoor game. So football is a very energetic game, and also we can play with our strength, and it is a very interesting game. So childrens, everyone understand about the football. So now we are going to learn a next game. What is this? It is a basketball. So here we can see a photograph of a basket and ball. BASKETBALL. Basketball. So basketball is the handball team usually play by two teams of 5 players. So in a basketball, two teams in 5 players, and the objective is to get the ball through a hoop mounted high up on a backboard at the each end. It is a very popular sport worldwide and play with a round orange ball that bounces. So here we can see a round orange ball, and the game is play between men's team or between women's team. So basketball is being played in the Summer Olympic game since 1936. So basketball is a popular game, and it is played by men and women also. So it is a inside, we can play, it is our inside of house, and that's why we can call a uh, indoor game, outdoor game. So basketball is a sport played by two teams of 5 players. So, basketball is a sport played by two teams of 5 players. So, rectangly court. The objective is to shoot a ball through a hoop that is 10 feet high and mounted to a backboard at each end. So here we can see a orange ball and net. So in a basketball, two teams in the 5 players, and it is also a hit the ball and play a man team and woman team. So basketball is a we can play in outside our house, or that's why we can call is a outside game or outdoor game. So basketball is a very interesting game. So children, in this lesson we can see many types of various game, that is inside game or outside game. So we can see many types of games, that is cricket. So cricket is a very interesting game. We can play in a ground, and also we can play in outside our house. So it called outdoor games, and it is used in bat and ball. So also stump is used in the cricket game. So children's, cricket is a outside game. Next, table tennis. So table tennis is a very interesting game, and it is a play by a two-person, and it is a indoor games. And next we can see a chess. So chess is a very interesting and mind game, and it is a play on the square board and two-person play, and it is a inside our house. We can play inside our house, and that's why we can say it indoor games. Now next we can learn, we will learn that's hockey. So hockey is a very interesting game, and also a hit, push and pass game, and play with wide J-shaped stick and ball, and it is also a outdoor games. And then carom is a very interesting and family game. It is a indoor games and interesting game. And then we learn that badminton. So badminton is a outdoor games, and it is a very interesting game, and play with net and also a shuttle. So then football is a very interesting game, and we play with a foot and ball, and that's why it called football. So it is a very energetic game. And then next we learn that basketball. So basketball is a very interesting game. We also play with the orange ball and net. So this is our game. So I hope that kids you all learn about these different types of game and their name. So you all enjoy. Very good. So hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time, and also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.